Now, key documents, 2 pages are missing from Haryana government documents that contain notings in the previous Haryana government decision to constitute an official probe committee, which later gave a clean chit to Robert Vadra. Shamsher is joining us with more details. Yes, Shamsher. We'll try and get Shamsher on this, but this is a breaking news coming in. Vadra files missing. In fact, 2 pages are missing from Haryana government documents, and these documents were crucial for probing the land deal allegations against Robert Vadra. The probe committee, which cleared Robert Vadra, had given a decision to constitute an official probe committee, where we have Shamsher joining us with more details. Yes, Shamsher.
Well, these documents pertain to the file, relating to constitution of a 3-member committee that was set up in the aftermath of cancellation of the mutation between Skylight Hospitality, the company owned by Robert Vadra, and DLF Limited. The case is very well known, wherein land that was bought for barely 7 crore rupees was sold to DLF within 3 months for 58 crore rupees. Now, Ashok Khemka had, citing a technicality, cancelled the mutation of that land situated in Shikapur village in Gurgaon, and the Haryana government had at that time formed a 3-member committee comprising of 3 senior officers. One of them has retired now. Now, Ashok Khemka in June this year had filed an RTI application seeking to know the basis of the constitution of that committee and some technicalities involved in that. Ashok Khemka believes that the constitution of that committee was illegal. So he wanted to have, access to some records that was denied to him. And when repeatedly, he was denied the access, he chose to go the RTI route, and he was not even given those documents through the RTI. And then he moved the State Information Commission, and now the state government has submitted before the State Information Commission that those 2 documents in that file are missing, and they have made their best efforts, and those 2 documents continue to be missing. Now, Ashok Khemka has written to the Chief Secretary of Haryana, P.K. Gupta, asking him to file an FIR in this regard, and the Haryana government has assured that necessary steps will be taken in this regard, as this was very sensitive government files and government properties which have gone missing. So the Haryana government now says that they will also take action in this regard.
Well, what is important to see here is what Ashok Khemka has stated in his complaint also, Shamsher, where he said the file noting is very important piece of record which would establish that the 3 members were specifically appointed to an illegally constituted committee by then political executive. That means that time the Haryana government which had constituted this 3-member committee.
That's right. In fact, Ashok Khemka has mentioned all this while that the sole purpose of constitution of this committee was to bail out Robert Vadra's company Skylight Hospitality and to put a legal stamp on the deal that he had cancelled. And we have seen in the aftermath of the cancellation of that mutation how Ashok Khemka was repeatedly harassed and hounded and pushed to the margins in the bureaucratic circles, given insignificant postings. And now Ashok Khemka, we also know that he was not even given access to basic records so that he could prepare his reply. So he ultimately had to resort to the RTI route, and which has now revealed that 2 pages of official notings from that file have gone missing, and Haryana government has stated before the commission that those pages cannot be accessed and those pages cannot be found now. Now the Haryana government says they will take necessary action, whatever is required. Ashok Khemka demands that there should be an FIR which should be filed in this.
Well, thanks, Shamsher, for getting us those details.